Hello, it's Maureen Legas here with your 21 Days 2018 series, and today is day 3. Today we're going to continue to talk about KW Connect. So when you're on your My KW homepage and roll over home, you click on KW Connect, and that's going to take you over to the KW Connect system. And when you come into the KW Connect area, you'll see some videos. Latest in technology. You can view some of these recorded videos. Today we're going to speak about resources, and when you roll over resources, there are a bunch of resources for us to use. KW Connect Live, the first resource. There's live stream video training going on daily, and when you click on live, you'll see what's scheduled for which day, and you can click on those to plan to watch that live stream. All right, the second thing here, and the live streams are recorded, and then you can come into KW Connect Live and click on here to see the recorded, pre-recorded from previous live streams. Also under resources, welcome new associates. And when you click on that, if you are a new associate, it'll take you through the steps you need to make sure that you've got everything set up and you're ready to run your business. So you can click on all of these different links, setting up your profile, how to download Kelly for different types of operating systems, why use Kelly, build your referral network, and so you go through all of these different pieces, which is put together for new agents or for agents who never did this, who don't know what parts of technology are available to you. So that's worth going through for any agent. Okay, resources, we go to culture, and culture is going to have some additional options here. KW Cares, we talk about Red Day, wealth building, KW Kids Can, wellness. It goes through everything having to do with KW culture. Events, so I'm going to click on events, and that's going to take us to all of the different events that are available for us. And then you can click to register, or if there's no registration for that, you can click to see when the registration might be open, or if you can be notified once registration opens. Then under resources is industry, so we're going to look at industry information, privacy, fair housing, all kinds of things having to do with real estate industry, and here are some resources for that. Okay, Keller Mortgage. If your market center does not have this approved, make sure you have at least 25 people in your market center that have requested Keller Mortgage, and have your team leader request that the market center be approved. So if you want to know about Keller Mortgage, click on the FAQs and you can learn all about it, what deals are offered to your clients, and then some additional information that you need in order to effectively use Keller Mortgage. KW, this is Keller Williams University. There's courses, there's Ignite, there's KW faculty to search. I think at this time it's master faculty, and then just additional resources for you from Keller Williams University. So check that out as well. Okay. MAPS coaching, again, similar to KW. This is the MAPS section of group coaching, masterminds, different programs put on by MAPS. So for example, if you want to go to Coaching Skills Camp and you click on that, it'll show when the next events are and where they are. And there's no registration link yet, but you can click to be the first to know, so you can be notified once that registration becomes available. Okay. Resources, marketing. I'm going to click under marketing, and that's going to give you your logos, social media information, posting templates, press releases about the Outfront magazine, all kinds of resources, leadership resources, everything you need for your marketing. MCAs, that's for MCAs only. Technology, when you click on technology, that's going to take you to where we talked yesterday about joining labs, to the labs dashboard, but you also have other things here, the Keller Cloud, the referrals, Kelly, the CGI calculator, technology setup, all kinds of tools here, and they're more defined here on the left hand side. You can click to those. All right, let's see, leverage. So how to, there's your first hire calculator. That's an interesting tool to use to see if you're ready to make your first hire. Career visioning, which is our class, our workshop to teach you how to effectively use the career visioning tools to hire for your open positions. There's classes on that. There's KPA information, job profiles, teams, onboarding, 30, 60, 90. Some of these might not be available. I'm not sure. Oh, materials for the first 90 days with your new hire. That's onboarding. Goal setting, all different kinds of tools that you need for the hiring process. Okay, and profit share. This is going to take you to information about profit share, how it works, how to grow your tree, what terms that you need, scripts and speaking with agents about about Keller Williams. So all kinds of tools for wealth building. Now, there's one thing I also want to talk about when you come in here, and when we talked about labs yesterday, we talked about signing up to be part of labs so that you have access to the new tools as they come up. We are running road shows. So road shows are coming out to all the different markets, and that's going to be an overview of everything Keller Williams is coming out with between now and the first quarter of the year. And so if you are not familiar with a road show in your area, you can come in and click, let me see, I would go to the calendar, click on the calendar, and then once in the calendar, search for the course name, and you could say road show, and search for road shows, and let's see what comes up here. And that shows all the Tech Roadshows, where they are coming and what date. And then you can click on that if it's in your market center. When you click on the link, it'll take you to your intranet with the information about that. But this shows you all the Tech Roadshows that are coming up. So make sure that you are attending a roadshow in your area. And if you don't know anything about it, check with your market center leadership to make sure that they have the roadshow on the calendar for all the agents in that market center. All right, so that's it for Connect today. Make sure to go through your resources and see what's there and what you can use in your business. Thank you.